Well, I had the microphone off. That's not good. Off to a great start. We are live again for the Ripple XRP airdrop. This is taking place here in about 25 minutes, and price action is responding pretty much how we anticipated. I gotta send out this alert. There's nobody here. Pretty much how we have anticipated since we heard that this was going to take place. Oops, man, I'm no good today. We've basically been expecting a rally into the snapshot time and a sell-off either immediately before or after, and it looks like, at least at the moment, that sell-off is happening before. I'm gonna go ahead and make this a little less dark now that we're here. Let's see, are we working? My computer was being weird earlier. Okay, 44 viewing, so we're at least live somewhere. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Yeah, usually I chill the stuff. Screw it. Let's just have a chill episode. I got some stuff going on today, so clearly I'm out of it. But thanks for joining me, everybody. Please remember to give the new stream, a like. Help us get into those search results for this exciting event. My phone is going off a bunch. Man, I was torn. If we were going to go live. We have our patron night tonight at 8 p.m. East, so that's about an hour and change away. Hope to see everybody there. Real quick chill, I guess. I'm going to put the Discord link is in the chat. It's also pinned to the top of the chat, so make sure you're in there. As well as, quick chill, check out the Patreon. Here's someone looking to improve their trading skills. We now have 102 members. Amazing. The Patreon is not just exclusive trade setups, technical analysis, etc. It's also more in depth. You can see there was a post earlier today specifically about this airdrop. We have TA updates, all kinds of great stuff, and the real goal of it is for people looking to improve their trading, and they're looking for something that's a little more personal than a course. Comes with one-on-one time with me, if you want it. And yeah, so there's that chill. Let's get it out of the way. Check it out when you have a moment. I have a feeling there's going to be some volatility here into this close. It might expand and not just influence XRP, though Bitcoin really on the same path it's been on. This descending channel type thing, something like that. Really roughly, we just see the lows coming down and the highs coming down with it. Not really that exciting, actually. So that's why we're watching Ripple here. Wild. Looks like it hit the 58-cent resistance and now traded down to 52. Man, that's 10% sell-off. And we are only 2 candles away. We have this candle and one more. The precise time of the snapshot's a little different than typical, because typically a snapshot will be taken at a block height. However, I don't really know how Ripple works, so it's the first node validation after what is essentially the daily close time here. Really, I expect it's like likely to be immediate. Maybe people who are trying to play this in some way might want to wait a minute. I don't know. But XRP is harder because as far as I know, there's no block explorer or something like that, so I can't look it up in the same way. When other coins have had airdrops, very easy to recognize because it's just a block height. Once the block's mined or whatever, snapshot's taken. Here with XRP, I also believe this airdrop's a little different. Now, I don't have all of the details on the top of my head. I might be able to pull them up here. I know Kraken sent out a great email about it that was in depth. Yeah, I'm not going to find it. Basically, what's important is if you're holding coins on a supported exchange or wallet at the time of snapshot, you are supposed to be credited some amount of FLR, which is, I guess, called Spark or Flare. I don't really understand. Everyone was saying Spark, and now I'm seeing Flare. The ticker's FLR, so Flare makes sense. That never really added up to me. But it's unlike some other airdrops we've seen. So typically an airdrop at the snapshot, done. That's it. Wallets are credited. It's over. From what I read about Ripple's airdrop here is that the Spark distribution isn't all instant. So if you have XRP in the right spot at the snapshot, you're good. You should get credited. But there's then, to my understanding, monthly credit. I think it's proportionately smaller than the initial. You should not have to have coins in your wallet at that point. I think really all that matters is that you have them at the snapshot. It's a little confusing. It's a little confusing as it's not typical. Typically it's kind of the event's over and it doesn't matter after that. But this one's got some different element to it. I would like to pull that up actually. Where? I can't remember where that even. Bear with me. I'd like to give you guys some details. But the immediate detail is essentially at the snapshot, if you have it in your wallet, you should be good. There shouldn't be any other effort on your side. So where? Well, here we go. Okay, the snapshot of the XRP balances takes place on December 12th, 2020, approximately 12 a.m. UTC. That's also the daily close. That's where this white line is on our chart here. At the first validated XRP ledger with a timestamp greater than or equal to 0 UTC. First validated ledger. I really don't know what that means, but that's okay. It's essentially the equivalent of block height. So it should be very shortly after the daily close. Anyone with XRP balance on any supported exchange or wallets at the time of the snapshot, the distribution of FLR will be complete and they'll receive an amount of FLR proportionate to their XRP balance. The exact proportion is a bit complicated. Of course it is. Even Kraken admits it's a bit complicated. So what it is how many XRP you own divided by the total supply of XRP minus Ripple's holdings, maybe. I'm not sure if I believe that. But then something they did here that's weird is they did seem to select some wallets they didn't want to credit. They also are capping the credits. So if you have if you own over 1 billion, so this doesn't really impact us, but if you own over 1 billion XRP, apparently they are capping what you can receive here. I think at 1 billion. Yes, and it's interesting because exactly how they do this, I don't know. Obviously, they can identify certain wallets and know that people, who they are, who owns these wallets. But kind of odd. I'm not sure how they would identify. What if you had your XRP spread out a bunch of wallets from a bunch of different sources? It would be very difficult to determine really who owns more than 1 billion. I thought it's funny they specifically included that they are not crediting Jed McCaleb as he received his XRP as a result of fraud, theft, or scams. This is something I'm torn about. So you guys know I hate scammers. I hate them in the crypto space. They're poison. They set us back. They set us back every time someone's scammed. I hate them. But this decision, in my opinion, it's such a hard thing to decide. So do I want scammers to profit? No. But I also don't like the idea. I don't like the idea of someone being able to decide how crypto is done. You know, that's kind of the point, is that there is no one in charge, there is no middleman, there is, you know, you're controlling your assets, someone else isn't. So this is something I'm torn on. Really don't like scammers to profit. But in crypto, I think it's a worse offense to be able to single people out. Really goes around kind of the whole premise, in my opinion. Well, that's my 2 cents on that. So this airdrop, 14 minutes away. All right, we're seeing a little green. Interesting. Let's do just some quick TA here on the Ripple chart. Look at that hourly, man. If anybody had doubts that there would be a sell-off right before the snapshot when we were talking about it this week, there you go. There you are. That is a wicked candle. Hourly momentum losing its strength. Well, at least showing the first signs of it, not necessarily confirmed yet. Same with the 2 hour. No real divergence to be seen. Wow, that's tight. 4 hour just flipped back to negative. So this is going to be volatile. I figured it'd be a fun watch. Good to have it out. Good to have people here for it. 130 watching. Very low numbers for us. That's okay. It's Friday night. There's not a lot going on in Bitcoin. We're not the biggest Ripple channel or something like that. But I am happy that everyone who's here joined us. Might get interesting. With so much volatility in even just XRP being a large cap, we may see something happen across the markets as well. So we're keeping an eye on that. That's right, ultra chaos, Steve. That is how I feel. Like I don't want scammers to profit, but I guess it's like, there you go, snapshot. It's just a casualty. It's like, if you can dictate what happens with the monetary supply, in this case Ripple, then you might as well just be using dollars. I don't know. Goes against my crypto ideology. Here we go. Here we go. Absolutely getting some spice here into the close. This is the last 15-minute candle before the snapshot. 12 minutes remain. This could get cool. I almost want to put it on the 1 minute. Put it on the 1 minute, Matt. Get a little 1 minute madness going on. Absolutely some buying momentum, but this could be flagging out. 1 minute might be too rough, maybe 5. Struggling here. What's up? I'm gonna read the chat now. Typically we do more TA, but we have something to watch. Not a lot of minutes left, so I might as well just chill out here. What's up, Leo M10? You don't want to learn sunglasses? You don't have to wear sunglasses, man. No one's gonna make you. The airdrop is at the end of this daily candle, so about 10 minutes away. Renee Montenegro, are you bearish, my friend? I'm surprised. I'm surprised. It's good to see you here, though, brother. What's up, Craig? Stocks only go up. Memes, man. Memes only go up. Memes are priceless. And Noah M, how you doing, darling? Antonio Hernandez. 10 minutes is correct, and we're seeing it here. Prices flying around. This 5 minute candle, we're on the 5 minute, and this is just whipping up and down. It's really pretty cool, actually. Look at the volume. Volume is increasing here locally. It's certainly nothing impressive. It's not specifically higher than any points we've seen, but it is increasing. It is trending up. Here we go. 2 more 5 minute candles to go. Mala, how are you doing? Good to see you, Mala and Titan. What's up, brother? You are correct, though. If you guys haven't, please do give the new stream a like. Helps us get in search visibility. Helps the channel out. Appreciate it. Michael Cheney, you're going in. Good luck, man. Good luck. Sam Opat. Why am I saying Ripple? I don't know. Just have it, dude. I don't know, man. I assume you guys know what I'm talking about when I say Ripple or XRP. If you don't, I don't know what to say. Jerry G. Don't you listen to those Sun Nay saying glasses indoor wearing homies. Sun Nay saying, I like that, dude. Oh man, I don't care what people say about me. You can't stream live every day and be bothered by what random people say. Don't worry, but I appreciate it. Appreciate the support. What's up, T-Friend? Like and go. Rom Stevens, I think I'll get a short squeeze on XRP. To be honest, not specific to XRP, but in general. After snapshots, you see selling. People buy before the snapshot, specifically for the airdrop, and then they sell it afterwards. Not something I would recommend, not something that I've been recommending. We've talked about this pretty much since we heard about it, had the same opinion about 12 hours before, when you would start looking to get out of a position if you weren't comfortable with it, because of that selling mechanism. If you have a good position, you're comfortable with it in XRP, it's probably not going to be a long-term impact on that. So it really depends on what your position is. I do own some XRP. I've had it forever. Had it for years, just sitting there. I'm not doing anything. Probably just gonna keep sitting there. Daniel Silva. Oh wait, you asked me that. Cool. Cool. What's up, Dirk Von Meer? How you doing, brother? 2 days waiting. I know. Man, I'm sorry, man. This month I actually was just looking back, and yeah, it seems like every other day we've streamed, but we have been doing other patron things. Really, what it's been is, luckily this month has been a little chill. Last month was out of control. We streamed every single day. Just getting some relaxation, some R&R, and have some personal stuff going on here into the holidays, so is what it is. But I missed you guys. You guys know I can't stay away. Can't stay away for long. Also, everybody new here, please remember to subscribe. We are well on our way to 16,000. See, I can't even keep up with it. We're well on our way to 16,000 subscribers, so help us out, give us a follow. We're live every day, pretty much. So keep up with the streams. Anthony Littlewood, what's up, man? Starting off the start ripping off the first follow of the stream. I appreciate it, brother. Ripple making waves. Bowser BTC, what's up, man? What is up? 6 minutes to go. 6 minutes. Nicolas Waneke, what's up, bro? Ooh, let's ride on two wheels. There you are. I don't know, man. I don't know either. But we're watching it. Rev Pamela Hart, welcome. Good to have you as well. Coming up on 5 minutes till snapshot time. Very spicy. Dallin-san, I missed your comment. Thank you for the compliment. You're a beautiful man, Dallin. Kaisan, what's up, dude? How you doing? Ra-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Hello. Big XRP transfers, just wallets to wallets, really nothing of note. Here we go. 5 minutes, 4 minutes and 45 seconds and counting. David Hines. That was my speculation, is that it, with all airdrops, all hard forks, typically they rally into the snapshot time, sell off right before, and typically see selling after as well. This one's a little different with the distribution. It's a little more complicated. There's maybe multiple rounds of like receiving the airdrop that's spaced out, but I do believe the bulk of it is up front at the snapshot. No, it's going to be interesting. I wonder how long it takes for a market to start trading it. Actually, I'd be surprised if they aren't already trading it as a future. The FLR. Let's check out CoinGecko. Doesn't have anything for us yet. Here's we have 3 minutes left. Maybe I can get through this. At the network launch, meaning at the snapshot, I guess, each account that has claimed Spark will receive 15% of the total Spark for which they are eligible. This is 15% Spark claimable term in the equation above. It's so complicated. The remaining Spark claimable will be distributed over a minimum of 25 months and a maximum of 34 months. Each month, a number interval will be generated by the Flare series oracle. This number corresponds to a percentage of the initial remaining Spark claimable. For example, if person X has 1000 Spark claimable and 4% is picked every month by the, I guess that oracle and the Flare, whatever, they'll receive 1000 times 15% equals 150 Spark at day 1, and then 1000 minus 150, which they've received, times 4% is 34 additional Spark per month for 25 months, coming to a total of 1000 Spark. This is the most complicated airdrop I've ever heard of. There's so many different calculations involved in this that I really am hesitant to give any definitive answers here about how that distribution works, because it is not upfront. I mean, all the details are here, but it's not as simple as the ones I've seen in the past, which are you just get the coins right away. If you self-custody, the system will deliver them to the Flare address to which you claimed. If you are claiming through a participating exchange, they will distribute the tokens to your account over time. This was something I was also cautioning people with, is you're at the exchange's mercy here whenever they decide to give it to you. For example, Coinbase, when we first started talking about it, Coinbase wasn't going to support it. I speculated that they would. They now are. But we saw with coins like ETC, Ethereum Classic, that wasn't given out for quite some time after it was done. So you don't really know when you're going to get it. It's up to whatever exchange, it's up to whatever exchange if you have it on an exchange, whenever they give it to you. That's an endorsement of having coins in your own wallet. You don't have to wait. This distribution structure has been designed to help achieve a successful network launch and provide strong incentives for network participation that builds utility. It has always been our stated position that the best people to provide capital to underpin the trustlessness issuance of XRP on Flare are those who own XRP. You know, I think this might be from Ripple. This might be their blog. The only way to achieve this fairly is, in our opinion, the distribution of Spark that is taking place. Rather than embracing Flare and Spark for the utility it creates, a certain percentage of people will wish to claim the Spark only because they believe it's free money. Hey, we've been speculating that. To reduce the negative effects from this dynamic, the amount of liquidity that can be put into the market at any one time is therefore limited by extended unlocking process. I guess that makes sense. I wonder if that means you don't... I wonder if that means you have to keep the coins. Oh, there we go. Done. Snapshot should be taken now. Should be snapshotted. And here comes the volatility, boys and girls. This is why we're live. This is the reason that we're here today. Traded down to 50 cents. Hidden 50. Will it find support? I do not know. This is anyone's guess. Roll the dice. Shake up your magic 8 balls. What's going to happen? 50 cents is a psychological number, likely to act as support if the market is interested in XRP at 50 cents. I'm not sure if we've actually ever tested it at that level. There we go. Traded down to exactly 50 cents there on that wick. Zooming out. Let's see what levels we might be looking at if this selling continues. Look at that timing. Look at that timing. Well, here's a great time to endorse ourselves here. We've been talking about this airdrop for a week, really since the news came out, so it might have been 2 weeks, I don't know. And this is what we predicted would happen, is selling into the snapshot and directly after the snapshot. I wonder if the mechanics in place for this will potentially play this out differently, but something tells me that it won't, to be honest. I've never seen in my life an airdrop hold value. Never seen it. I think because of what even Ripple stated in that blog is people jumping on for the concept of free money. And what do we always say here? There's no such thing as free money. Doesn't exist. Does not exist. Ripple or XRP not really in danger yet. Still inside of our wedge. Does have this ascending. Let's make this more visible. Does have this ascending low trend line that may act as support that it has not tested yet. Clean this up so we can see it a little better. I don't want the rectangle. There we go. Snapshot at this point should be completed. Timing is spot on for this selling pressure, and we see that, wait, it was in the wedge here a second ago. I think the trading view chart's getting weird. All right. That is all. Oh, I couldn't see the wick because of that line. All right. All right. That's why. Let's do this because I'm annoyed that I was sitting here sounding stupid. Can't type today. Alright, losing 50 cents. If XRP loses 50 cents here, we do have some support below. At 45.6 cents. The prior low in the in late November, 26th of November, and below that, 43.7 cents. Likely to be a strong resistance or strong support, as it was historical. I believe that's a weekly, maybe a weekly support there. New 4-hour candle, new daily candle. Yeah, that daily closed. Not the best, huh? Not the best. We have a lower low in the daily. It's not significant at this point yet, though. Daily MACD showing selling momentum is continuing. Has not begun to wane at this point. I am surprised though that 50 cents psychological Yeah. Wow, that wick is exactly 50 cents. Psychological. Can be very powerful, especially with an event like this, I would say. As it is. Psychological event. That's rude. That's rude. Could be a nice bounce though. This is surprisingly staying in a pretty tight range. Kind of expected either a big move down or big move up. Also always in the cards too. This is crypto. Antonio, I love you too, bud. I love you all. Thanks for joining us, by the way, today. Kind of impromptu, not our normal time. 271 watching now. Excellent. Excellent, guys. Excellent. Welcome. Welcome to the fam, all the new faces. We were dragging behind on the views as we started this, but it seems that we're catching up to our usual numbers now. Awesome. We're live here every day. Please don't forget to give the new stream a like, but also subscribe. We're well on our way to 16,000 followers, and love for you to be a part of that and join us on that journey. So hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, etc., and jump on Discord. Man, that touch, high volume touch to 50 cents, that's so precise. It's ridiculous. Exactly 50 cents, no fraction, just 5,000,000. Pretty spicy. 15-minute RSI showing bullish divergence between these lows. Unexpected. Unexpected in my opinion. That's quite a wick. Man. Triple touch on the 1 minute to 50 cents. Full div on the 1 minute. Please don't trade on the 1 minute. For RSI anyway, not MACD. Man, you have all these moving averages up here. Becomes an area of interest to me when you have these overlapping. We're going to see them across pretty much every time frame. Yep. We'll keep it on the 15-minute for now. Keep it nice and spicy. Keep it white. Price is going to be likely interested in that box as we see all the way up to the 4 hour. We have our moving averages in this range at 55 to 56.5 cents. Showing surprising strength at that 50 cents level. So far, this is not really what I would have expected. The snapshot was taken, yes. Snapshot was taken perhaps 8 minutes ago, something like that. The snapshot, into like my knowledge, should have been pretty instant. What's up, everybody? So many new faces. Lots of chatting. What's up, false flags, my boy? My boys. Going back to where it's comfortable. True. True. I still don't, after reading that whole article, basically, I still am not sure how this mechanics work. So, typically a snapshot's taken, done. Coins are in your wallet, it's over. Doesn't matter. But with this one, there's some kind of distribution over time. So I'm curious if that means you need to keep the coins, or maybe I mean, logically, it would just kind of suggest you have to keep the coins, but I've never heard of an airdrop working that way. Bitcoin closed at 18,042. Did not close a beautiful candle, closed a gravestone doji, similar to yesterday's close. Bitcoin daily still showing selling momentum. We do see RSI making a new low versus late November. That could be potentially bullish divergence painting. That could be a good sign. What is up, Peter? Chin Chin. What's up, my man? What's up? Astronaut Renee, I didn't see your super chat. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, my brother. The $1.99. Welcome, Chin Chin. Xian Xian. Okay. Let's take a look at the corn here while XRP seems to, man, it did seem to find support at 50 as we speculated. That's, I don't trust it yet. I don't trust it. It's so perfect. It's exactly 50 cents. You never see numbers like that in crypto. Crypto's not a fan of clean touches. Let's see, put an alert down here. We'll know if it breaks 50. And let's put a alert at our box to know if we did retrace to the moving averages here. Now we can take a look at Bitcoin. 4 hour was looking solid earlier. Your Patreon probably got those posts. Finally touching the 20 moving average. This is going to be an interesting candle on Bitcoin. Rejection from this level, pretty bearish, very suggestive of 17,175. If we do get a rejection here, we no longer need this because that's old. But what we're looking for here on the weekly is a close above 18.2 for Bitcoin. Above 18.2, and the bearish divergence for this weekly candle is invalidated. Or not divergence. Man, I'm off my game today. Close above 18.2, and the bearish engulfing thread on the weekly is invalidated. There we go. Looking above us, if we do get a move up here as signaled by the 4 hour, we can see that on the RSI and MACD, actually, both indicators showing bullish divergence off these lows. We do pull back above the 4 hour 20 moving average. Target likely to be 18.6. This is going to be a hard area of resistance. Is going to take some buying power to break through that 18.6. There's a lot there. We can see on the 4 hour, the 100 moving average sitting just below the 50, coming down to meet it. On smaller time frames, similar setups, we see the 200 on the hourly, and man, we see that 200 on the 15 minute actually right here at our near our 18.2 target. So that is looking difficult. But this large resistance zone is most visible on the daily. So we have the daily 20, the daily middle Bollinger Band. Ooh, I'm really sorry, guys. I need to get up for a minute. Give me 2 seconds. All right, I'm really sorry about this and that, guys. So my girlfriend's grandfather has been battling cancer for quite some time now, and she just got news that he passed. So this isn't unexpected or anything, which is, you know, reasonably upset. So not really sure what to say, but I'm gonna have to go. I hope that everybody here joins us again tomorrow, gets in Discord, but yeah, thanks for being here, guys. I'll catch you guys tomorrow for sure.